Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later. This feature isn't available on earlier releases. Once done, unlock the device and go directly to Settings to avoid wasting time. Tap General only to confirm the OS, then navigate back to Settings and select Home Screen. This is where the app library controls live. Make sure to keep your phone charged while changing layout settings so the process isn't interrupted, and proceed to the next step immediately. You're now in the home screen settings, and here's the core action. Locate the options that control app library visibility and app adding behavior. Toggle off Show App Library to stop auto-opening the library when you swipe left past the last page. If you prefer, disable automatic app placement by turning off Add to Home Screen so new apps don't populate there. Once done, press the home indicator or swipe up to return, then long press the home screen. Choose Edit Pages and remove any pages To finish, test the change by swiping to the far right screen. You should stop at your last home screen and not see the app library. If the library still appears, restart the iPhone and reopen home screen settings to confirm toggles stayed off. Make sure to update iOS if settings behave oddly, and if necessary, reset the home screen layout under Settings General Reset. This clears custom pages, but resolves persistent UI issues. If problems continue, check for a pending OS update and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.